Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore fascinating facts from Europe, a continent that has a rich history and diverse culture. So, let's dive in and explore some of the most interesting facts about Europe. Fact 1. The national anthem of Greece, Hymn to Liberty, is one of the longest national anthems in the world. It consists of 158 stanzas or else 632 lyrics, because each stanza having 4 lines of text. Fact 2. The world's oldest university, the University of Bologna, was founded in Italy in 1088. It has a long history of academic excellence and has produced some of the greatest minds of our time. Fact 3. The Eiffel Tower in Paris was originally intended to be a temporary structure and was nearly dismantled after the 1889 World's Fair. However, it was saved and has become one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Fact 4. The Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, with an area of just 44 hectares. Despite its size, it is a powerful and influential country that has a significant impact on global affairs. Fact 5. Finland has the most heavy metal bands per capita in the world. It's a surprising fact that showcases the unique cultural aspects of Finland. Fact 7. The Swedish town of Kiruna is currently in the process of being moved 2 miles east to avoid being swallowed up by a nearby iron mine. It's a unique situation that highlights the challenges of living in a resource-rich country. Fact 8. The longest railway tunnel in the world, the Gotthard Base Tunnel, is located in Switzerland and measures 57.09 kilometers, 35.5 miles. It's a remarkable feat of engineering that has improved transportation across Europe. Fact 9. The world's first public zoo opened in Vienna, Austria, in 1752. It was a revolutionary idea at the time and has since become a popular attraction for tourists around the world. Fact 10. The Dutch have the tallest population in the world, with an average height of 183 centimeters, 6 feet. It's a unique and interesting fact that showcases the physical attributes of the Dutch people. And there you have it, 10 interesting facts about Europe that you may not have known before. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any other interesting facts about Europe or any other part of the world, please share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Thank you for watching.